Okay, so we have an example here of how to make it, and if you don't understand it, I can show it to you. Okay, so you fold the piece of paper in half.
Does it matter if the color side is on the inside or outside? It should be on the outside? Okay, I see how you do
I like it better when it's on the outside, and then you can see the color like that right there.
it. Alright, makes sense.
And then you unfold that, and fold it in half the other way. Okay, and this interesting. To say the least. Once you have that, you fold these corners into the middle. So there's 5 lines. You just fold them all in.
Guys, I'm still recording, so.
Okay, so then, when you have this, you want to flip over the piece of paper where you can't see the folds and stuff. And then there's cross lines there that you can see. And you fold this over so all these corners are in the middle. Show the picture.
I'm confused.
Okay. Fold them over.
Like this.
Which way do we fold it? Right here.
Yes.
Where do we fold it?
Like this?
Yes. Wait. You can fold this one and wait, what do we do after we go? Yeah, I'm at the same time. Okay, so you want to fold this part.
That's all.
Like this, Miss Whitty?
Yeah, but do all four.
Then, once you have that, all you do is mark this side.
Listen up, please.
This side in half that you just folded in. You fold it in half, so it's pretty much squares. Crease it. You unfold that and fold it the other way. And crease it. And so now Caleb can show you how to work it.
Okay, so you after you get it like this, you know, you write like blue or some kind of color on this on the outsides, and you count the letters. It doesn't have to be a small line. But okay, so whenever you count the colors, you should. Okay, so like when. Okay, Adam, you have a question? No, okay. So whenever you count the letters in the name of the color, you should have 2 right here, or like there should be numbers right there. And then you should count the numbers or whatever, and then you lift up the little flap, and then you should have your fortune. You guys can write your own fortunes.
Ah, I did it.
And then so you can write your own or whatever.